Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the DEWALT DWH050-XJ Drilling Dust Extraction System. Your ultimate solution for dust-free drilling. Ideal for holes up to 52 millimeters in diameter and unlimited depth. This system ensures a clean workspace every time. With innovative hole cleaning nozzles, you expose the full drill depth for maximum adhesion of anchor fixings. No more mess, just precision. Plus, it's airlock compatible, making it a breeze to connect with all DEWALT dust solutions. Experience exceptional filtration with a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the DEWALT DWH050-XJ is designed for seamless integration with your DEWALT rotary hammers and drills. Elevate your drilling experience. Choose the DEWALT DWH050-XJ today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.